Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to demonstrate a nice tool for you if you want to check what are the big files in your Unity project. And here is the tool I'm going to share with you. The link of the tool will be in the description of this video. Click this menu, tools, and then find reference large assets, and you will see these options. Select all file types, or if you want to select some files with certain formats, you can uncheck it and type the extension that you want to check. For example, WAV, MP3, JPG, PNG, and so on. In this case, I will check this checkbox and then click this find large assets button. Because my project is not that big, so I can see the result here. I can see my biggest file is this one, and this is the next one, and so on. This is the paid script, guys. It is not free, but if you want the free version, please check out my previous video. I will share the link in the description of this video. And yeah, if you use this pro version, you will see these options. Otherwise, use the free version. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.